What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, where we uncover automotive mysteries and empower you with knowledge. Today, we're tackling a common question among Tacoma owners. Where is the fog light fuse located? Whether you need to replace a blown fuse or want to add new accessories to your vehicle, understanding the fuse location is crucial. So let's jump into today's topic. In 2001 to 2005 Tacoma, the fog light fuse was located on the engine compartment fuse box. So here is the fuse that you need to check. The fog light fuse is going to be the blue 15 amp mini fuse right up in here, so be sure to check that out. If the fog light fuse is blown, replace it with a new fuse of the same amperage rating. Ensure it fits securely into the slot to maintain proper electrical connectivity. In the 2005 to 2011 Tacoma, you'll have some fuses used for the fog light. All of the fuses you want to check are located in the fuse box under the front hood. So here they are. That is a 15 amp mini fuse in blue, and it's usually labeled as Fog FR in position number 2. There is also another fuse for the fog light, but this fuse is designed to receive power when the low beam headlight is on. Just like the predecessor, in the 2012 to 2015 Tacoma, the fog lamp fuse is located under the hood, but in a slightly different position. So here are the fuses. It is a 15 amp mini fuse in blue color in spot position number 3. There is also another 10 amp red mini fuse for the fog light, but this fuse is designed to receive power when the low beam headlight is on. In this section, I'll point out the location of the fuse and the relay for the fog light in the 2016 to 2022 Toyota Tacoma. You can find the fuse in the engine compartment fuse box. So let me show you the fuse location. The fog light fuse is going to be a 15 amp mini fuse in blue color. There is also a relay for the fog light as well. Once you've found the fog light fuse, inspect it for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the fuse appears faulty, it's time for a replacement. So that's going to be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.